most of the work that I do, just to play on the word here, is actually de-hypnotizing people from the hypnotic states that they have found themselves in due to their own life experiences and due to the exposures they've had from media or other content, whether it's a trauma with a big T or just a little t, like their dad yelled at them when they
Mhm.
were a kid and said they would never amount to anything. And that's affecting their ability to build a business. So pretty much everyone has some unresolved issue that's probably limiting them or harming them in some way in their life. And no matter what that is, it's possible to unlearn the mindset or the belief system that led to the emotional and behavioral effects. And when that happens, it's like pulling the weeds in the garden out by the roots. Once that happens, the entire weed is gone if it's removed effectively, and it will not come back. There may be other weeds that will grow in the future, but most of the weeds we have in our garden come from childhood or adolescence, and those can be unlearned. And then a person can improve their self-worth and their self-respect and their feeling of empowerment and fulfillment. And it's not through positive thinking, it's through restoring balance within the mind.